Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and if you didn't hear, Nintendo did officially announce that the 3DS is done. It's no longer in production. And so I just kind of wanted to make it, I kind of wanted to make well, send-off video, if you will. Now, I mean, I think we probably knew this was coming. I mean, it's a pretty old console now, and they weren't really making games for it anymore, but it just I remember I was in my 11th grade year in high school when the 3DS came out. And back then it was so cool to see a handheld that had all the features that it had. And the 3DS has kind of got me back into portable gaming after I was really not into it for a while. So, it was a great system. But, it's time. It's pretty old now. But still, it's sad to see the thing go because it's got quite a few memories as a handheld console for me. So, you know, it's got a great library of games, good games, like Mario 3D Land and all. But I just wanted to say goodbye, I guess. That this is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Farewell, old friend, to the 3DS. It makes me feel kind of weird saying that because, like, because like you've gotten so you get so used to that console being around because of how long it's been around for. But farewell.